Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm at again back with Myntra haul, and this time I'm super excited guys because Myntra is running a sale which is end of season Euro sale, and they are giving it at a 50 to 90% discount on mostly all the brands, and it starts from 31st of this month. So if you have anything in your wish list, this is the right time for you guys because they are giving it at a 50 to 90% discount. And I have lot of stuffs here. I'm super excited guys. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Alright, the first top which I'm gonna show you guys is one of my favorite, and it's so beautiful guys. Let me show you. And this is the top which I'm talking about. Such a pretty top. It's in georgette material, and just look at the sleeves. They have given like a balloon sleeves, and in the front they have given this button. You can remove it and wear it, and behind also they have given this elastic. I got it in medium size, I guess. No, I got it in extra small. It's a bit tight for me. But this top guys, it's so beautiful. You can also see in the try on video. And alright, the price of this particular top is 1119 rupees. You can wish list this particular top if you like it, and when the sale goes live you can definitely go ahead and buy this top. I really love this top guys. It looks really pretty. You can also see in the try on video how this top looks like. I would highly recommend this particular top to you guys. Let's move on to the next one. The next top which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is such a pretty top, and it's from the brand Chemistry. I really like the prints, and very beautiful top. You can see like if I keep it like this, but don't worry, I have put a try on video also. You guys can see they have given like 3/4 sleeves. It's not too long or neither too short. It's a perfect length. I mean, you can wear this particular tops to office or for casual use also. It looks really pretty, and as I told you guys, I got it from Chemistry brand, and I got it in extra small. I don't know, my size is medium. I'm not sure why I got it in extra small. Even this top I got it in extra small. I wish I would have got this in small. And this is also a bit tight for me. I will exchange this with bigger size, but nonetheless the top looks very beautiful. You can see in the try on video as well. The price of this particular top is 539 rupees, and I see like there is 70% discount on this product. If you like this, put it in a wish list, or you can buy it right now because there is like 70% discount. It is a very good deal. If you like this particular top, you can definitely go for it. It's like 100% cotton. I would highly recommend this particular top to you guys. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, the next top which I'm gonna show you guys is from H&M brand, and this is how the top looks like. It's in proper black color, and they have given a very thick straps. This is like a jeans material guys, and very nice top. Behind they have given this zip, but unfortunately this top is not fitting me. I got it in medium size and it's not fitting me. I will go for one size bigger. But nonetheless, this top looks really pretty guys. I really like this top, and the neckline, I really like this cutout. They have given this V-shaped cutout. It's really nice. The price of this particular top is 1499 rupees. I know it's a bit pricey, but the quality of this top is really nice. It's in jeans material. I would 100% recommend this particular top to you guys. If you are a heavy chested girl, go for 2 size bigger in this. I got it in medium size. You can go for larger size. It is a bit tight for me, so I will go for 1 size or 2 size bigger. But I would 100% recommend this particular product to you guys because it looks really nice. So let's move on to the next one. Alright, the next top which I'm gonna show you guys is from the brand Bonkers, and this is how it looks like. Very pretty top. And just look at the color. I really like this color guys because I don't have in this color, and I got it in medium size, but it's not stretchable at all, so it's a bit tight for me. I don't know, for some reason all the tops are a bit tight for me. I'll get it in bigger size, but nonetheless this top looks really nice, and it's in pure cotton material. Very nice top guys. If you like it, definitely you can go for it, and it's very reasonable as well. I'll tell you the price. The price of this particular top is 516 rupees, and now I see like there is 26% discount on this particular top. If you like this, keep it in your wish list. When the sale is live, you can go ahead and buy this particular top. I would 100% recommend this particular top to you guys because it's in cotton material, very comfortable in summer. So having said that, let's move on to the next one. Alright, the next top which I'm going to show you guys is this one. It's in purple color. Very nice top, guys, and it's quite stretchable. And in the bottom they have given this kind of finishing. It looks really nice. And they have given a full sleeves for this. Very nice top. This is from the brand Tokyo Talkies. You know that Tokyo Talkies has a very nice, tops and bottoms as well. And this is how the top looks like. I really like this one. You can also see in the try on video how this top looks like. The price of this particular top is 245 rupees. Can you believe that? It's a beautiful top. If you like it, definitely you can go for it. Okay, the last top of this haul is this one. It's in cherry red color. Very beautiful top, guys. It has like a v-neck. I tried this top, so it has wrinkles in it, so don't mind. So this is how it looks like. You can't open these buttons. It's not functional. And they have given a v-neck so you can wear it easily. This is from the brand Chemistry again. It's a really nice top. It's in cotton material and I got it in small size. Okay, the price of this particular top is 513 rupees and I see like there is already 62% of discount on this. If you like this top, you can definitely go for it. It's in cotton material. It's very comfortable, during summer. You can wear this to office or for casual use. It looks really nice. You can also see in the try on video. I'll put all the product links in the description box. Whichever tops you like, you can definitely go for it. So yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Until I upload a next video, take care. Bye-bye.